my name is Miss Jackie. We are going to do a story time today. Our story is called Two Little Blue Birds. What do you see in the picture? Do you see a bird? Do you see two birds? I see one bird, two birds. And what color are they? I think they're blue. So, two little bluebirds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. So, what do we see in this picture? One bird, you fly away, you fly away. So, bye-bye, Peter. Only one bird sitting on a wall. Oh, there's another bird goes bye-bye. Fly away, Paul. Bye-bye, Paul. What now? Both birds come back. So come back, Peter. Hello, Peter. Come back, Paul. Hello, Paul. So we have a little bit of vocab for you. We're going to learn 3 new words. Our first word is bird, a bird. We have Peter and Paul. They're both birds. Can you repeat after me? Bird. Good. Very good. The next word is the number 2. 1, 2. We have 2 birds in our story. Can you say 2? Good. We have the color blue. Peter and Paul are both blue. Can you say blue? Very good.